In this demo, I will show you how to perform and iterate A/B test experiment using the KUI visual terminal. As in the previous demo, the target service of our A/B test is product page. You see that we have versions 1, 2, and 3 running, but only product page version 1 is exposed to traffic. Next, we run the iterate create experiment command that will allow us to specify an A/B test experiment using a form in the KUI visualization sidecar. I am specifying the target service, the baseline version, the candidate versions, and now I'm going to add the success criteria. First criterion on mean latency, it's a relative criteria. I want the candidate versions to have a latency of at most 1.6 times that of the baseline. I want 95% of all requests to be under 500 milliseconds. I want the error rate of all versions to be below 5%, and I want to maximize the reward metric, mean books purchased, just like we did before. Now we create the experiment, and once we do that, we can go to the decision tab that will show us what kinds of insights iter8 is giving us. You can see that only the baseline version is getting traffic. Each version has the same probability of winning, and iter8 has not enough data to declare a winner. And it's giving now a traffic recommendation of 50, 25, and 25. Let's apply that traffic split so that the other versions can get some traffic. Now you see that the current traffic is split 50% to version 1, 25 to versions 2 and 3. Let's confirm that by refreshing the web page a few times. You saw the color switching there. Let's get more assessments from iter8 Analytics. It reports that it has not enough data to declare a winner, and it's giving us a different traffic split recommendation. Let's get yet another assessment. It's still not enough data to declare a winner. You see that version 3, however, has an 86% chance of being the winner. And let's apply the recommended traffic split of 58 to version 3, 34 to version 1, and 8 to version 2. Let's get another assessment. It's still not enough data to declare a winner, but the confidence increased to 97% to version 3, as you can see. Let's take a look at the metrics to understand what's happening. You see the latency of version 2 is higher than that of versions 1 and 3, and it's actually violating the criterion latency because quite a few requests from served by version 2 are not below 500 milliseconds. And you see that it has the highest reward. Version 2 has the highest reward, but it is violating the criterion on latency. Therefore, it has a very, very small chance of winning. Version 3, in turn, has a higher reward than version 1 and satisfies the criterion on latency. If we get another assessment now, you see that we can finally declare that version 3 is the winner with 99.8% confidence. And the current traffic recommendation is 96% to version 3 and only 2% to versions 2 and 1. At this point, basically version 3 is the winner with high confidence. And we just applied that traffic split. And you see the same trends on the metrics. And at this point, let's take a look at the advanced statistics. Now we are showing you the credible interval statistic for each metric of each version. That is the interval within which the true value of each metric lies. The more data we have, the closer the two ends of the interval become. Let's end the experiment now and let's choose to roll forward to the winner. After doing that, we will basically shift 100% of the traffic to the winning version, which is, in this case, product page version 3. That is the version that shows the green color on the web page, which we can confirm by refreshing it a few times. Finally, I will show you the iterate metrics command on the KUI visual terminal. This command can be used to both define metrics and visualize metrics. You are seeing each of the metrics that we used in our ABN test experiment. Note that mean latency, error rate, and error count are default metrics that come out of the box with iterate. The others are custom metrics we created for this experiment.